Good morning, girls. Today we will see the formatting of MS Word document. When we talk about the formatting, first thing we see that changing the font color, font size and the font style. We can apply the formatting either before writing or the after writing. Suppose it is the text, we have to select it. You can do thrice click, it will be selected. This option is used for font style. You can select any one of them to change the font style. Using this option, you can change its size, and this option is used to change the color of the text. This is after writing. If you have to apply the formatting before writing, we select the style, we select the size, change the color. Now when you will type, it will type in the desired manner, the format you have applied earlier. This is called after typing and before typing formatting. Now we will see bold, italic and underline. Using that you can highlight the text. Select it. This is used for bold. This is used for italic and it is used for underline. Underlined option, draw the line under the text and then after we can apply it in individual way. Look it girls, when you select it, it is called bold, darker than the other text. Slanting, italic option just slanting in toward the right side and clicking on the U option, draw the line under the text. This is called bold, italic and underline. This is the toggle option. Using that, it means when you click once that will be applied and when you click again that will be removed. Now we will know about the superscript and the subscript. Subscript is the option using that you can display the selected text slightly below the normal text, and superscript is the option using that you can display the selected text above the normal text. When you have to display the text below, you have to select the particular option and this is used for subscript. It will display your text below the normal text. Suppose we have to write a square plus b square, a square plus b square. In this case, again we have to select only the particular letter, only the particular word which we have to show in superscript. Now you can see it is showing above the text. When we have to deselect it, again clicking on this, the cursor will display in their normal size. This is called superscript and the subscript. These two options are used for that. Now we will know about the alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of text in a document. That means by default when we write, it is the left alignment. It is the left alignment. But suppose you want to display the text in center. These are 4 types of alignment given in the paragraph proof. Using that, you can change the place of the text. When you click on the right side, the text will start typing in the right side. You can see when I write computer from the left alignment, it is in left side. When I choose center, then it is writing from the center, and similarly when I selected Right alignment, it has been start typing from the right side. These are called alignment. One more type is the alignment, that is called the justify. That is justify. That means using that you can change the positioning of text in a document. This is called alignment. One more thing we will know about the drop cap. Drop cap feature is available in the insert tab. Here you can see this option is in the text group. You will get the option for drop cap. It display your first letter of the word in big size. This is called drop cap feature. Thank you.